You know, those guys at the top of all the classes, the ones with all the friends. But what is it that makes people cool? Is it the clothes they wear, or the shoes that they have? Is it the big brand names, or is it something else? Would you be cool if you got those things? Well, I don't think so. See, in my experience, those clothes aren't the things that make you cool and popular. The things that do, I have some tips for. Tip number 1, be nice to everyone. Everyone likes somebody who's kind. A kind person is the best kind of person to have as your friend. They're normally caring and understanding, and they get along well with others. Tip number 2, don't be afraid to enjoy the things you like. If you enjoy doing it, then go for it. Everybody likes somebody who is doing what they love, who is completely themselves, because they can relate to that person and nothing about that person feels forced. Tip number 3, comparing yourself to others always leads to unhappiness. You know, social media is only a snapshot into somebody's day-to-day life. And most of the time, you're only showing the good bits because those are the parts that you really want other people to see. No one else is you either. You're the only person that can bring yourself to the table. Which leads me to tip number 4. Be the person you want to be. Anybody who's faking things can really be easily spotted, you know? And when you are uniquely yourself, that's what gets people. That's what makes people think, you know, like this guy is cool enough that he can be himself. You know, in the end, you are cool already. And that's more than enough.